Today we're making peanut butter pie. Come on in, welcome to my home today. It's a wonderful little treat which is unexpected for this time of year, and that's peanut butter pie. It's using some ingredients that we've made before, or you can just go out and buy them, it's okay. But let's start this off. We are going to start off with cream cheese. My cream cheese is softened. Yours needs to be too, or else this will take a lot of work. And then powdered sugar. Start that on low. You're going to want to make sure you scrape the bowl. Once that's incorporated, we're going to add our peanut butter. If you want to learn how to make your own peanut butter, click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make peanut butter. You can just go out and buy your peanut butter. And then slowly add our milk. Once that's well incorporated, we're going to remove it from the mixer. Now here's the fun part. We're going to use our homemade Cool Whip, or you can just go out and buy Cool Whip, and we're going to fold this into our mixture. I did stick mine into the freezer for a little while. You notice I'm not using the mixer because I need to gently do this without deflating it. Now we're going to take our peanut butter mixture and pour this into a graham cracker crust. Now you can make your own graham cracker crust. You can click that eye in the sky. It'll show you how to make your graham cracker crust, or you can do what I did today since it is the holidays. I just went out and bought one. Now you can buy 2 graham cracker crust, or carefully just spoon it into a glass. I'm going to put these into the freezer and freeze them until they are solid. Our pie has set up. I'm just going to slice it. Alright, let's give this a taste. Wow, that is soft and rich and delicious. And I can't stop eating this. This is so good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.